It's a sunny day. Alex is in the park. He has got 5 balloons. 2 balloons are orange, 2 are red, and 1 is blue. He is happy.
One red balloon and one orange balloon blow with in wind. Alex is sad. A bird close up, a blue balloon and an orange balloon. Alex is angry.
Alex sees a beautiful girl. Her name is Lizzie. Alex is in love. He loves Lizzie. He gives his last balloon to Lizzie. Lizzie kisses Alex. He's very happy.